Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Roxanne, and on this channel I do all sorts of nail content. Demos, hauls, how-tos, you name it. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Young Nails package and even giving you a demo. If you're interested, then just keep watching. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day so far. You guys, by the way, when I say that, I truly do mean that from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys are all doing well, and if your day is not going amazingly, then you have the power to turn it around, baby. Take that strength and do that. But anyway, you guys, I am super excited about this video because this is my very first Young Nail purchase. As you guys saw, I did purchase 2 acrylic powders from them as well, but that is not what this video is about today. We are all about this studio kit. So you guys, I wanted to get this for you guys to show you your options if you want to create press-ons at home, if you don't have a lamp at home, just something really simple and affordable, but good quality items. So I'll hush, I'll let you guys watch me unbox this thing. I'll be back in a little bit. I'll hush, you watch. So can I just tell you guys how excited I was when I saw these full cover nail tips? You guys, it's been so hard for me to find almond nail tips that are quality for you guys that I could show you. And I was dying to do that because almond shaped nails are definitely trending right now, specifically with the abstract art nail look. So yeah, you guys, this is the one reason I was super excited about this kit. But as you guys see, you do get quite a bit. Oh, I did forget to show you guys this glitter. This is a really fine glitter. I used it to create a sugar nail for you guys, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I am using Heaven Help Me as my base. I'm gonna add 2 coats of this polish. What I do love about this polish, you guys, it's really fast drying. I literally waited about 30-45 seconds before I went in with my second coat. So yeah, I'll hush, I'll let you guys watch this. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'll hush, you watch. you guys, so now that I've given Heaven Help Me some time to dry, I'm going in with She's a Pistol, and I'm not doing anything specific here, you guys. I'm literally just using the brush to just create some soft strokes onto these nails. You guys, I love this nail polish. I love how the packaging is. I love how the stem of the brush is easy to hold and easy to work with. I love the brush and I love the doe foot application. I don't know if you guys can see, but being as though the brush is a doe foot brush, it has like a rounded end, so it makes it so much easier to apply nail polish. This kit is absolutely for the beginner, you guys, and at $50, I don't think you can go wrong. But anyway, you guys, now I'm just going in with Look But Don't Touch. I think it's called Look Don't Touch. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did with She's a Pistol. So yeah, once I like what that looks like, I will allow that to dry for a little bit. And now I'm just going in with some top coat, you guys. This is my very first time trying to create a sugar nail using standard nail polish or regular nail polish. But hey, I wanted to try it for y'all, so this is what I did. So yeah, you guys will see me using top coat and then going over those nails with that gorgeous, gorgeous glitter on both the ring finger and the index finger. And then once I like what that looks like, I'll tap off the excess, and then I will go ahead and top coat all of the nails. So I'll hush, I'll let you guys watch this. I'll be back in for the final look. Thing I did want to mention, you guys, when you are using top coat to encapsulate, or even just putting top coat over glitter or anything that's this loose, it's important to wipe your brush off before you put it back into the bottle, or you will contaminate that polish. It will then be a glitter polish, y'all. So if you can just take a lint-free wipe, and after you stroke that clear polish or that top coat onto the nail, just take your lint-free wipe and wipe that brush off. Make sure that glitter is clear, and then go ahead and put it back into the bottle. You will be much better off. So anyway, like I said before, I'll hush, you watch. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Here is the final look, you guys. And yes, I do love this kit, y'all. I think you get a lot for your money. And honestly, Young Nails is such an amazing brand. You know you're going to get quality every time. You guys, I had a lot of fun creating these press-ons. Let me know if you want me to do more press-on videos. I hope you enjoyed this one though. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what it is you want to see next, and tell a friend to tell a friend, because baby, we obviously are doing press-ons at this point. I love y'all so, so much, y'all. Until next time, peace.